Hello, my friends. My name is Kathy Weaver, and I have written My Final Footprints. You can find it on myfinalfootprints.com. It's a free ebook, PDF style, as in printable, and the copyright is in there explaining exactly how to do that without the plagiarism topic. So enjoy. So if you have begun your journey through My Final Footprints, the first part is me telling you what to gather. The second part is you telling that special person where everything is and how to implement on your behalf. So when you are collecting the items that are mentioned in My Final Footprints, a lot of times people have found stuff. What are you going to do with all the stuff? Well, there's a term nowadays called death cleaning. And you have to kind of think about that and go, death cleaning, death cleaning, death cleaning. And death cleaning technically is getting rid of stuff before you die. Getting rid of stuff before you die, which means cleaning out a drawer, cleaning out a closet, cleaning out your whole house, cleaning out a basement, cleaning out a garage, cleaning out stuff. And I just wanted to share today about death cleaning. And the terms are always interesting. And I do think that the connotation, they want to get your attention. What is death cleaning? What does that mean? And when you realize that it means pre-cleaning out your stuff so someone else doesn't have to, it's not quite such a horrible thing. Basically, again, open a drawer. Is everything in there what you'd want someone else to find, to gather, to have once you're gone? So please consider death cleaning. I am doing that personally myself. It'll be an ongoing process, most likely, because we collect stuff our whole lives for some reason. How many coffee mugs does one person need? How many pairs of shoes does one person need? How many jackets and blazers and hoodies and stuff does one person need? So when you consider the death cleaning process, think in terms of, what are they going to do with this? What are they going to want to do with this? So basically, you're just saving them a trip to the nonprofit location where they will repurpose it, if you will. So think in terms of, once again, death cleaning, repurposing, giving things away before someone else does. And I just wanted to share that because a lot of times these terms are ominous, foreboding, whatever you want to call it. But I feel preparation is a great idea. And when we are prepared, I have always thought that forewarned is forearmed. I don't want people to have to go through all this stuff. So start cleaning out now. Do yourself a favor. Plus, it's kind of a nice walk down memory lane. You hold something and you go, I remember that. But are those you leave behind going to have any idea what that is? And the answer is probably not. If you haven't shared with them what this is, why this is, then they're probably going to take it to the nonprofit for you later. So again, I wanted to talk about death cleaning. Clean out a drawer, clean out a closet, clean out a basement, clean out a garage, and that will give you a great sense of accomplishment. One more step that I've taken. And many of us are not given notice as to when our final day on this earth will be. But if you have a little bit more preparedness from a standpoint of what your leavings look like, it might be a very comforting thing. And it'll help us all sleep a little better at night. So I'm Kathy Weaver. myfinalfootprints.com is my gift to you. Again, the first part is me telling you what to gather. And the second part is you telling that special person where everything is and how to proceed on your behalf. It's not a legal document. None of that. You still need a will and a trust and whatever else your accountants and lawyers and financial planners tell you to do. But it is basically what I have learned over the years. And I just wanted to share that with you. And the best news of all, go to my website because it's free, myfinalfootprints.com. Bye for now, and let's start death cleaning.